Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change display picture on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we are at the stories and of your friends section. Also, you have the spotlight where you can watch videos, your camera, and of course in the bottom left corner, location and the chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change display picture on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, to change your Snapchat display picture, follows these 3 easy steps. So tap on your profile icon in the top left corner so you have it wherever you are in the application. The picture is here, you can see top left corner your Bitmoji. Then when you tapped on your profile icon in the top left corner, swipe down on your profile name to open a menu. And then after that menu pops up and of course opens, tap the edit avatar or change selfie to update your display picture. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.